From space to one of the most iconic landmarks on Earth. On the land down under. The Sydney Opera House. But this global masterpiece hides a story few people know. Before its famous sails touched the sky, this was nothing more than an empty shoreline, a desolate stretch of land. Then, in 1957, a Danish architect, Jørn Utzon, imagined something the world had never seen before, a design inspired by sails, floating above the sea. Construction began in 1959, but there was one problem. No one knew how to build a building of this shape. The roof design was impossible, because original design was geometrically inconsistent. Each shell had a different curvature, making it extremely hard to calculate loads, stresses, standardize construction, prefabricate elements with 1960s technology. Years passed, with no solution. Cost was rising, and so the project timelines. Until Utzon and engineers, especially Ove Arup's team, solved it with a simple but brilliant geometric idea. All shells were redesigned as sections of a single sphere. This worked because every roof segment had the same radius and curvature. This enabled standardized precast concrete ribs and panels, and made structural analysis simpler and reliable, allowed efficient, repeatable construction. However, what was meant to take 4 years stretched into 14. The budget rose from $7 million to over $100 million. Conflict grew. Politics, funding, control, and in 1966, Jørn Utzon walked away. He never returned. He never saw it completed. Yet the project continued, and in 1973, the impossible became reality. From a barren land to an icon of the world, the Sydney Opera House. He designed it, but never saw it.